बहुत अच्छे, वेरी गुड।
Hello friends, how are you? I am fine. In which class do you study? I study in the standard second. What is your sister name? My sister name is Maranam. Where do you live? I live in Galhat. How old are you? I am 7 years old. Thank you.
बहुत अच्छे, वेरी गुड।
Hello friends, how are you? I am fine. What is your class teacher name? My class teacher name is Janaka. What is your student? My student is Janaka. I am a lead boy. What is the friend name? My friend name is Anushka. What do you like? I like banana. Thank you.
बहुत अच्छे, वेरी गुड।
Hello friend, how are you? I am fine. What day today? Today is Friday. What is your father? My father is a farmer. Thank you.
बहुत अच्छे, वेरी गुड।
Hello friend, how are you? I am fine. How many brothers have you? I have one brother. How many sisters have you? I have one sister. What is your father? My father is a Mufti Sahab. What is your hobby? Running, swimming, cricket, cycling is my hobby.
हाउ मेनी?
How many sisters have you? I have no sister. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, बहुत